one.
I see another one.
What about another one?
Do you think they're ready to leave the nest?
Yeah, can I touch it?
No. Don't touch. Do
But
not.
But they're
I said
ready.
do not.
But they're ready. I saw one fly.
Do not. There he goes. Oh no, look at him. He's so tiny. He can't fly. Don't. Don't.
Look, he's trapped.
No.
He's
Stop
trapped.
it.
He's trapped.
Caden, do not
He's
touch
under
it. See, look, he'll find his way.
I know.
Okay, let's let them get back to their home. Where'd the other one go?
I think they're ready.
They're not ready. You're not the mommy bird.
I know, baby. Look like
There's one left in there, huh?
There's one way. Look, I can see some of their poop. Yeah, they pooped a lot.
Where did that one go? I hear it. Do you hear it?
I do. Can you hold those ones?
See if he'll come out.
Can you hold those ones?
Walk in that way.
Can you hold that one?
No, we can't hold the baby birds.
Why?
Oh, that one's out too. There it went.
Where's it?
I don't know where it went, but it came out. Is that all of them? Nope, there's one left.
I'm gonna watch him play out.
I don't know. There's always one that. Think he'll go?
I think they're ready.
No.
But sometimes are they not ready?
Yeah.
He's not ready.
He's just hanging out. I hope the other one's come back. Yeah, he's staying in. Okay.
I just gave him some space. Let's do this one in. So if they're done, I can't even touch them.
We're not supposed to touch them. The mommy still needs to take care of them.
Let me go now. Do you hear them all?
I hear them. They're out there.
Hey everybody, this is Casey, and I wanted to see. Well, a couple of days ago, we looked in his nest, and there was a baby bird in it. And today we're checking, and we looked in here, and they're almost this big, and most of them flew out, but there's still one in here. And later I'm going to show you one over there. So now that nest is really deep, and we didn't expect a nest to be in our flower pot. So do you guys want to go see this bird? Okay. Now it might have went out, but I don't think, because that's where they're pretty. I don't know. I found most of them in there. Well, yeah, I found some of them hiding in there. Okay. So I think it's in here. It's in here, because that's what I saw it last. So, I'm going to go in. Now, ours are really camouflaged that we saw. So it's going to be really hard. So I kind of take a minute to really look. Trying to get one of these up close on camera.
Caden, it's right here, buddy.
It is? Told ya.
Oh, he ran away. I don't think he can fly.
Yeah. And they're firstborn, they're really bad at flying. So. And don't try touching these. Or mom won't come back and they might die.
I don't see
it. Okay.
So what do we think? Do you think he'll make it through the night, or his mom will come rescue him, or something might get him tonight?
I don't think he's going to make it through the night because we have coyotes.
Yeah.
And we have
Raccoons, cats.
Over he's gonna survive the night. And if I could touch him, I would touch him and bring. Oh, right there.
Oh, there he went.
I wish you could touch him to get up
Well,
on camera, but
we got a good picture of him.
nope, I saw him run past. You see him? Yeah. Now, it's almost impossible to find one of these out of the nest. Well, on my last video, you saw me catch that one, but that one was just a big baby. Oh,
They move very fast.
yeah, they're very fast. Oh, I see him. I saw him on. You see it?
Ran right past us.
Yep. See him right there?
Whoa, he almost stepped right on my foot.
Fly, so they kind of glide.
Yeah, he flies really close to the ground, huh?
So you want just one single flap and then glides.
That was exciting.
This video isn't over yet. So what should? What is it?
I don't know. He's hiding in there somewhere. Hopefully we can find him. Hopefully the mom will come back and save him. Okay.
I'm gonna be posting a couple more videos.
We'll do some updates on what we find.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.